In this video, I will show you how to wish happy birthday on Facebook timeline. To get started, go ahead and open Facebook on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in into your Facebook account. Head over to the notification section. So this is where you usually find the birthdays on Facebook. But if you can't find it, go ahead and click on the search icon, and under this, you'll be able to find birthdays. So in here, you'll be able to find the names of your friends that are currently celebrating their birthday today. In this section, you can go ahead and enter message that you have for them. You can also select from these preset messages. You can also personalize the message yourself by entering your message. So once you have entered your message, go ahead and hit on that post button to be able to post that on their timeline. You can also incorporate a sticker with your greeting along with a picture or whichever element that you want to add to your timeline greeting. And that is how you can simply wish someone a happy birthday on their Facebook timeline. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.